holiday season is upon us, and I'm going to show you how to make a caramel, and I'm going to show you how to make a caramel apple pie perfect for all your holiday occasions. There's two parts to our caramel apple pie filling, the caramel and the apple. We'll start by making the caramel filling so that it has time to cool while we prepare our apples. For our caramel, we'll be using sugar, cream, and butter. And for our apples, we'll be using Granny Smith apples, brown sugar, flour, lemon juice, and cinnamon. Right. Using a deeper saucepan than I currently am, add the sugar and turn the temperature to low. This is the only saucepan that I own that works with my induction cooktop. Once your sugar starts to melt, constantly stir until it's all melted and becomes a deep brown color. Add your butter and cream and continue to stir until the butter is all melted. Remove from heat and allow to cool. While our caramel sauce cools, we'll take a minute and prepare our apples. Peel, core, and slice your apples to the desired thickness. And now we're going to add lemon juice, brown sugar, and flour. Finally, our cinnamon. And toss it all together. At this point, add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Today we're using store-bought pie crust, and we're making a lattice top. So we're going to start by cutting strips. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time a new video gets released. Now dump your apples right into your pie crust. And next, pour your caramel on your apples. Get it all over your apples. Now you can add more salt to your caramel. It is salted caramel. Salted caramel. Right, caramel. The lattice work is achieved by placing your dough perpendicular and weaving in and out of one another. By placing your strips in a slight angle, you can make diamond shapes, which is trickier and like a million times more labor intensive, but looks much cooler and is totally worth it. Brush the top of your pie crust with a basic egg wash, which consists of 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk. This is what that pie looks like. We let it set overnight in the refrigerator and brought it down to room temperature. We brought it up to room temperature. We're going to cut into it and let you see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so here's our piece. It looks really beautiful. The apples are nice and chunky. The color is nice. The lattice came out really good. Here's the ultimate test. We're gonna give it a try and see what it tastes like. Oh wow, that's really good. It tastes really buttery. We definitely used the right apples. This is a great pie for the holidays. Very easy to make. Give it a shot, you'll love it. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time a new video gets released. There's two parts to our caramel pie apple filling, the caramel and the apple.